Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out with how to add videos or photos to My Eyes Only. There are two options: from your camera roll or just by making a Snapchat, and I will explain you both of them. Alright, the first option is from your camera roll. So tap on your camera roll, then I want to add this black picture, then hold your finger for 3 seconds on your screen, then left it. And if you can see it just right here, it says My Eyes Only. Alright, then do the quick setup. If it's your first time, then type in your code. Again, I understand, this is my passcode. Finish. Move. And now this picture is in My Eyes Only from my camera roll. Alright, the next option is make a picture with Snapchat, keep on save, go back, tap on my camera roll, the picture that I made, tap my finger for 3 seconds on the screen, leave it, My Eyes Only, and then do move again. Alright, this is seriously how easy it is. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give it a like. Thanks for watching and see you maybe in the next video. Ciao!